In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find bulk create in OpenArt AI. We'll walk through exactly where the bulk option lives and how to use it effectively, all within the image variations workflow. First, open your browser and head to the OpenArt Suite homepage. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Image. This takes you into the main image workspace. You can generate single images here, but for bulk style output, we'll take a quick detour to a more powerful area. At the top of the workspace, switch to Image Variations. This is the section designed to create multiple takes on a single idea or reference, and it's where the bulk setting is located. Before you proceed, choose the model you want to use. Different models can vary in style, speed, and fidelity, so pick one that fits your goal. Fast drafts for quick exploration, or higher quality options when detail matters. Next, start with an image. Variations need a reference, so click to begin from an existing the picture. Use the upload button or select a file you've already got handy. When you choose your image and confirm, give it a moment to load. For best results, use a clear, well-lit source with the subject centered. Standard formats like JPG or PNG work well, and moderate resolution helps keep processing smooth without losing detail. Now, describe your variation. In the text field, be specific about what you want changed: style, mood, colors, camera angle, or any elements to add or de-emphasize. Short, clear phrases usually outperform long, tangled sentences. If there are things you don't want, mention them briefly too. Here's the key to bulk. Adjust the batch size. This control sets how many images are generated in one go, which functions as the bulk create feature. Increase it to explore multiple options at once. Keep in mind, higher batch sizes use more credits and take longer to render, so it's smart to start smaller, review the results, and then scale up when you're confident in your prompt and model choice. When everything looks good, click Generate. OpenArt will process your request and display a grid of results based on your batch size. From here, you can review what worked, note what didn't, and refine your description if needed for another round. That's the full path to bulk style creation. Open the suite, go to Image, switch to Image Variations, choose a model, upload a reference, describe your changes, set your batch size, and generate. Try a few prompt tweaks and model choices, and you'll quickly dial in a reliable bulk workflow.